One of these days, you'll miss your train and come stay with me. We'll have drinks and talk about things and any excuse to stay away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 3-in-1 type of video. I'm going to show you guys how I do my skin makeup. I guess I could call it my skin makeup. And also I'm going to be showing you guys this outfit and this hair. This hair is from Sunber Hair. I will have all the links down below so you guys can check them out. And I'm probably going to have a coupon code so you guys can get that as well. I have a previous video installing this wig and like cutting it and accidentally cutting it too short. So I tried to make it work. This is giving me very mature, like, I don't know, it's out of the box. Comment down below if you guys are liking this look, and let's get right into this video. Also, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover, so stay tuned to the end so I can talk to you guys a little bit more. So I'm starting off by mixing my two concealers together. So this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Corrector and Fawn. I'm gonna mix those on the back of my hand and just color correct everywhere that there are dark marks on my face.
Tell me why you gotta look at me that way. You know what it does to me. So baby, what you tryna say? Lately all I want is you on top of me. You know where your hands should be. So baby, won't you come show me? I got you dreaming. You close your eyes, I am screaming. Play with your mind for no reason. I know you love how I tease it. You know that I'm playing, so don't be mistaken.
Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm going to go above all the places that I put that corrector. So under my eyes and anywhere else that I have leftovers. I'm not putting too much because I want this to give a skin-like effect.
You already know what I'm thinking, boy. Why'd you have to be so cute? It's impossible to ignore you, yeah. Why must you make me laugh so much? It's bad enough we get along so well. Just say goodnight and go, go. Just say goodnight and go.
Then I'm going to use the liquid highlighter. This is Mega Glow Halo highlight in the color Go With The Glow. And I'm going to put that everywhere that I want to be highlighted, which is my cheekbones, my nose, and my chin.
One of these days, you'll miss your train and come stay with me. We'll have drinks and talk about things and
I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Earth.
Any excuse to stay awake with you. You'd sleep here, I'd sleep there. Then the heating maybe down again. For my convenience, we'd be gone.
And I'm going to set my face using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color Mahogany.
We'd be great together. Why'd you have to be so cute? It's impossible to ignore you, yeah.
And then I'm going to go in with Juvia's Place Masquerade Palette, and I'm going to put those two orange shades as a blush. I love this because this really warms up my face and brings the whole look together.
Why must you make me laugh so much? It's bad enough.
And I'm going to use this mascara. It's the Lash Paradise mascara. I really hate this mascara because it's the waterproof one and it's so hard to get off of your eyelashes. But I got this from my CVS. And I'm going to use MAC lip liner in the color I think it's MAC Chestnut. It's definitely MAC Chestnut. So now I'm going to style my wig. This is my Sunber hair. I will have all the links down below. I'm just going to flat iron it and make it look more cute. I'm just brushing it out and stuff. So I'm going to play some music so you guys can watch me flat iron this hair. And you guys can visit the links down below to check out this wig. I already have a previous video on this wig. If you want to see the unboxing and everything, I will link it in the eye above so you guys can check it out.
Why'd I have to be so cute? It's impossible to ignore you, yeah. Why must you make me laugh so much? It's bad enough, just I can let it go. Say goodnight and go. Wanna say goodnight, baby, say goodnight and go. Wanna say goodnight, say goodnight and go. Why'd you have to be so cute? It's impossible to ignore you, yeah. Why must you make me laugh so much? It's bad enough we get along so well. Just say goodnight and go.
Alright, you guys, so this is how it's looking. I love this wig. The shortcut is really growing on me. I'm just wearing my green dress from BBX brand. This is a brand I found on Instagram, and I really like their clothes. I did get this dress in a size 6, and I'm bigger than a size 6, and I hate getting my clothes small because it makes me look bigger. But I got this dress in a size 6, and I should have went up to a size 8 or 10. But this is the BBX brand, and it's so freaking cute. I love it. So yeah, this is how it's looking. This whole outfit goes together. Let me know if you like how this whole look came together. I actually really like it. It's so freaking cute. I just wish my dress was bigger. And today I'm going to be wearing Poison Girl by Dior and Lancome Belle. These smell so freaking good. So these are the fragrances for today. If you want to smell grown and sophisticated, I recommend going and smelling these at Sephora. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to visit Sunber Hair. I will have the links down below. Let me know if you guys like the way that this came out. I really enjoyed this look, this like skin like makeup. You guys know recently I've loved a skin like makeup just because if I put too much makeup my skin will break out crazy. So I've been doing a more subtle type of makeup look. I really like it. I did not put anything over my eyes, and yeah, this is their highlighted wig. It's very soft. I just bumped it a little bit and it looks like this. And the two fragrances I'm using today is my Lancome Belle Eau de Parfum, and something's in my eye. And I'm also using Poison Girl by Dior. So this is the mixture for today. I chose these two because I feel like they're matching the hair and the makeup. They're giving me very much sophisticated, out of the box. Like they're giving me very much sensual. Should I say sensual? Is sensual the word I'm looking for? It's giving me spicy, okay? So these two scents are very spicy type scents, so they go with this look perfectly. I want you to rate this look down below and let me know if you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next video. I apologize if I was looking at the viewfinder. I'm sorry. But yeah, bye.
One of these days you'll miss your train and come stay with me. We'll have drinks and talk about things, and any excuse to stay awake with you. You'd sleep here, I'd sleep there, then the heating may be done again.